A very quick one-handed unboxing of the Panda Revo Hot End. First we find a little instruction slip. Do follow these instructions. There is some important information about cable routing that you need to know. Next we find the hot end itself. We can see that the nozzle is already pre-installed and it's got the X1 plugs on the end. Also we have a nice sticker that will be going on the back of the laptop later and a small information card. I should say I've been looking forward to this for a very long time, so I am looking forward to see how this performs in my X1C. Let's just move this box out the way and have a closer look at the hot end itself. So we've got a nice blue aluminium anodized heatsink with some screw holes for the fan and then the indentation on the side for the cables. The nozzle itself just screws out where the red thing is. You can really easily unscrew it with your fingertips. There's a silicon sock above it which protects the heater core. At the moment there are not spare heater cores available, but they are coming soon. Thank you for watching.